Having a reset button in your Power BI report is like a game changer. A lot of clients put a lot of filters on in their reports whenever they're working. When these filters are put on and they need to take them out, it becomes so difficult taking it one by one. And there are two functions that solve this particular problem. There's a clear all filter button and the reset. What makes the reset stand out now is particularly when you drill through to a particular page. The clear all filter button can't solve that particular problem because the drill through is much more stronger. And what solves this particular problem exclusively is the reset button.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the reset button. Not only how to use the reset button, but how exactly to access it and make it active. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of my videos. And just click the like button, put your comments, and share. Let's go. First, let's get the bookmark. And how to get the bookmark is particularly by going into the view in the ribbon, click bookmark, and literally appears. Then we need a button. How to get the reset button is by going to insert in the ribbon, you click button, you see a drop down, and in the drop down you see reset. Choose that particular icon and it pops up on your screen.
Okay, now we just add the bookmark.
You can edit as you want, the styling, the feel, the color of the icon literally, and the background, everything you need to. Now, after editing the icon and making it look good to your preference, which is not the main priority, but good, the next thing is to make this particular icon active. So when people click, something happens. And how to do this? Go down to active, enable it. And what next to do now is particularly to go to your tooltip. So that when people hover over it, it's going to give them an information that they can do a reset in that particular icon and amazing things happen.
So we just put into filters now and see how it goes. So it's working pretty much fine, and that's how to create a reset. Very easy. Catch you in the next video. Cheers.